Hi guys, I'm Fabian. I'm an organizer at Asterix, and we organize these events, but most notably Hack DFW. So shout out to my Texas organizers and Georgia. So today I'm going to be talking valuing side events. And season, I decided to go on a hackathon streak. And from my experience, from attending all these hackathons, I started to see a trend where hackers weren't participating in these as much, mainly because of reasons like I want to work on my project. It's not worth it. Or I don't have time for that. It doesn't look very fun. And no one will show up for that. And this is a huge letdown, speaking how much time and effort goes in to putting and setting up these events. Now, when that may happen, providing these side events are still a crucial part of hackathons. And here's why. On the hacker side, we have time management. So I'm guilty of it too, but when hackers start a project and get in the zone, time becomes non-existent. Therefore, these side events provide checkpoints and break reminders for them, so it reminds them to step back and just relax. And then it creates a set of what is stressful, I mean, not stressful, stress-free environment, okay? Like, you don't want to provide so much, like, I guess, like a challenging atmosphere or a competitive atmosphere where they feel discouraged or they feel unwanting to finish their project. And lastly, it helps break the ice because I know even though we might be in like a room filled with like like interests or like common things we might have in common, it's still like a very awkward place for people to like open up. And when you break the ice, it actually allows like sponsors to come out and talk to them as well. And then on the organizer side, it helps set up other events. So like if there's another workshop that you have to set up, use these side events to distract the hackers. All right, and then it's an outlet to be creative. So with that, you can like be, I guess like, unique in a way. And depending on how great your side event is, it can be a form of branding. But what do I mean by this? So at Asterix, one of my favorite side events that we have is Bob Ross, but with MS Paint. Yeah, it's so easy to set up, guys, and everyone has like a computer. If not MS Paint, you can just go to like an online paint sketcher. And what is it? So I want to showcase some other side events that I personally think did a pretty good job as well. So first off, we have CalHack Silent Disco. Next, we have Hack Riddle Paper Airplane Contest. And despite having the word aeronautical in their university name, you'd be surprised how many people don't know how to fold a paper airplane. Third, we have South Missouri Hackathon and Hack Princeton for their back massages. And lastly, we have Tree Hacks, befriending. So I don't want to spoil that one too much, but it's a lot better than first Tinder dates. So now I want to talk about evaluating the cost. So on the top left, we have the happiest OctoCat with the low effort and high amusement. Pretty much how I want to do all my homework. So we got some of the ones I already mentioned, and then we have like cup stacking. Then on Q1, we have high effort, high amusement, but still a relatively happy OctoCat. And that could be such as like Silent Disco, back massage, and spicy ramen challenge. And I say this because it's more about the preparation you have to do. And then in Q3, we have these. Now, the reason why I put Smash down there is because some person will always pick Kirby and just downbeat, and it kind of ruins the experience for everyone, you know? I'm just kidding. It's just kind of common in the most hackathons now, so like it's kind of getting bland at this point. And then in Q4, we had the saddest OctoCat of all. We have high effort and low amusement, which is DIY foods and League of Legends tournament. DIY food, it can get quite messy real fast, and League of Legends tournament, guys, I have nothing against this, but like that was not meant to be a side event. but maybe it was TFT. So who knows? Let me know if that works out for you guys. So don't let those things be discouraging. Take it more of an insight because there's always ways or new ways to test your ideas. But here's some things to wrap it up with. Side events are there to be fun and engaging and to provide a relaxing atmosphere. And don't be super stressed out that you have to get like budgeting for it to be fun. Just be creative. Even the cheapest one, like that paper airplane contest, that was relatively fun. It can be used as a form of branding. So if your side event is just as fun as your hackathon was, you can use that in your like sponsor packet as well. And lastly, cautiously evaluate your side event before incorporating it into your hackathon. All right, because I know a lot of people they just rush into it because they think, oh, we need to have A and B just so we can have something to show off. But in reality, don't force stuff into it. Just have the one good event that you think you can pull off really well. Thank you.